any side. Oh, go.
Come on, mommy.
Going to the train. It says going to Recto. Here. Going to Recto here. Go. Where are you going, Gary?
We're going to Recto.
Doon, buti gumagana.
Gary's going to Divisoria. Hey, look at your tummy. Ate Edwin is using the stairs. Margaret!
Hi.
Oops!
Hindi mo kanina hirapan.
This is where the train will pass.
Okay. Oh,
Let's go.
be careful, no pushing. You have to stay there. Oops, Gary, look at the arrow. You need to stay at the side because the people will go out from the train first before you ride the train, right?
Oh, yeah. Hi, guys. I think it's coming or maybe later.
Maybe later. What time is it, Gary? It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And let's see if the train is coming already.
There's the train.
Where? Oops. No train yet.
Mommy, there's a train.
Gary.
Where? Oh, there's a train coming. Need to stay at the side, okay? You wait.